I got this extra shelf on my computer desk, but I don't want this shelf here. I want it about halfway between. So I need to move these little shelf clips or holders. I need to drill holes and move these clips about halfway. I have to drill a hole about halfway up, so these little shelf clips will fit and I can move them. It's about 2 foot. So I'm going to go down about a foot. And mark it. That's about a foot. To the top of the tape. And I'm going to put my first piece of tape across here. Then I'm going to do this other side. A foot down. Then I'm going to put a level piece of tape across to the other side. Now I'm going to mark this other side. One inch. And then do the same thing over here. Double check. It's 1 inch. I'm going to mark this back side. Get ready for the next phase. Okay, let's get some measurements here. Let's see, 1 inch. I'm going to call it 1 inch. One inch from the side. Now from the bottom. Let me double check this measurement, which way I need to go next. Yep, it's 1 inch to the center. So I need to find out which way, how much up to the center here. Looks like 11.5. Now I'm going to see what size bit I need. It looks like a 3/16. I'm going to go test this bit on a piece of wood and see if it's snug enough for the shelf holder. Let's see if this 3/16 bit, it looks like it's going to fit. I'm going to drill a test hole and see what happens. See if it fits. That's what it is, the 3/16. It is a 3/16 hole I need. Okay, I got my bit set to the right depth, and I'll start drilling holes. Now let's see if the shelf brackets hold. Yep, it's in there good. Look good. If I have to, I can up the bit size a bit, but I think this will fit pretty snug. They just need a little persuasion. I knocked that one in already, testing it with the hammer. Now a moment of truth. It's not going anywhere unless I knock it up. It's going to hold whatever I want it to. Got another shelf where I want it.